Hello, welcome to successfultradings.com. Hey, today's video, I'm just gonna take a few minutes here to walk you guys onto StockTwits. So this is a quick inside view of what StockTwits look like. I've obviously created my profile. So on your profile, I mean, you can just specify whatever website you have since when you have been a member, and then sharing your ideas on the like the key thing on here for Spy Stock Streets. Why Spy Stock Streets is the one that for me is the most relevant. Spy represent the entire market, right? Obviously, in terms of popularity, it's not is not the one with the most viewers. So I think this one, for instance, Apple here, you will see for each one of the stocks or ETF, the number of watchers. So Apple is definitely, I mean, with a brand name, has 377,000. So let's say if we go to Spy, just in comparison, let's say somebody like Gilead, before we go to jump to Spy, 57K. That's that's nothing really compared to the amount of people who are watching that. So if we go to Spy on here, Spy 190,000. So upon coming here, this is where most people they can tag. Tagging is just the principle of putting the name of a stock. So the way that StockTwits works is that you put a $ in front of the symbol, and then it goes through. So the article that we wrote a while back is, well, we wanted to make some of you, especially newcomers, aware of the fact that just beware, because StockTwits is not what you think. It's not a platform where you think that, oh, I'm gonna be basing my methodology on, or I'm gonna get trades idea out of that. Well, I wouldn't recommend that, really. I wouldn't recommend that, because for the most part, you find all and everything. First of all, StockTwits here, overall, they have now advertisement is everywhere, obviously, as you can see. So now they have created these fancy rooms that you can subscribe to. I'm not subscribed to anything, so the premium rooms as of now, I haven't subscribed to any. And then they pick a relevant people to follow that are responsible for those rooms. I mean, for me, typically, if I come here to maybe follow a few people, really, because of the information. Some people on here, they will have services. So some of them. That's the key thing to take away. And then some others, they are just there to waste time. I mean, some posts, you will find posts of, actually, let me go back then to, instead of being in rooms, you will just find posts of ridiculous type of posts. I gave you some example. So, but this gentleman, for instance, is totally different. This gentleman, he has been doing this for a long time, so he will post article of value on there. So that's definitely on there. So, okay, here's the founder, or one of the main founder. So Howard, so he's on, like, not all, he's always on. I mean, I don't know when he what his leave or anything. I think he lives now in Arizona, but I don't know. Yeah, the stock whisperer comes in here to post her services. This other gentleman, yes, he definitely posts information of value, but so yeah, so you could follow somebody like that to get what they are putting out. The one that I like as well because of the technical analysis is this guy, Serenote. Yes, definitely. If you are uh, into technical analysis or anything, his charts, they're second to none. So you that's somebody that is definitely of value. So the way that it works, right? So if you know the name of the person, or the symbol. Obviously you can tap on this window, in this window here, about the name of the a person or anything, you will find it as well. So then your private messages will be somewhere here, and then you will have your notification, like if you like something or somebody mentioned you onto something. Okay, now I have trader one, this person who's following me, and this is a message that I posted yesterday on here, because what happened on BA and City. So yeah, so this person liked my message. So yeah, I guess seems like this got a lot of attention. This video that you guys are now having seen on there. So yeah, that's so the good side of those stock tweets, spy stock tweets. It's you get to see people that you can follow. They're in between, and then sometimes the conversation just can go into so many directions. So I need to be aware of that. So let's see. I'm just trying to see some. Yeah, I mean any stock you want. So here as some stock. I mean I could have posted something on this one, so you will find people idea. Uh, Maybe it can start a conversation. Some of them that are really, let's see, AMD has a lot of retail followers, so you need to be careful what you see over there, because all of a sudden it could just. I remember the days where it was all rivalry between Nvidia and AMD when AMD wasn't even $10. So uh, yeah, so most of it is clean on here. Oh yeah, okay, this is what I'm talking about. Meaning, some of them are funny, some other ones you will just you could find anything here. Memes, yeah, they are good on memes. So how much time? I mean, do they have this thing ready? Going up Monday bigly, it will be tremendous. The short will be squeezed violently. This person, what information do they know about the market to be posting this type of thing? So you'll find anything you can imagine. Sometimes it even goes into politics. Okay, it didn't have to wait long, right? Oh, this one, I mean, it make me laugh or anything. I tell you the truth. Sometimes on, let's say, I don't know, maybe 20% of the time, a trading day can really be boring. So um, there could be a way to distract yourself of this. But for me, really, I'm telling you, there is a better way of using your time on StockTwits. So if you are not following somebody worthwhile or anything, go just do some studying for the next trading day. Because if a trading day is boring, that means there is sideway action, and typically after sideway action, two successive sideway action, then we're gonna have a big move. You want to be on the know on those stocks. Okay, so this is the type of thing, guys, that's inside StockTwits. So it has become like that social media of. So it's just, here we go. Sure, we are on lockdown, but I think the playground is safe. So so you'll find, I don't know if that's funny or anything. Okay. Okay. Luxury redefined with toilet paper humor or anything. So this is just random, guys. This, I didn't prepare for this video or anything. And then in mixing between, here's some technical analysis. They're showing us, this person is showing us the weekly chart for AMD. So this is value. So you have to skim through to find the information that's needed to make you money. Because as funny as the other things are, they're not gonna make you money. That's really sorry. I mean, we can spend all the time that we want on the, yes, these memes. So I don't know, did they do them purposely for this? How much time? So forget all. We struck toilet paper. All is at $18. The barrel of all is at $18 now. Ouch. Or even less. I haven't watched. Pets and mask. Okay. Choose only as last resort. So yes. So you can tell then, and then ads obviously. So I wanted to show you here the inside of StockTwits. Be aware. it's not what it looks like. So when coming in there, have a clear objective on what you're gonna see. Here's my man doing again. Obviously AMD. We talked about AMD on our live session on that's what's the preferred stock to trade right now. So you can see that we just saw this is the second technical analysis. I think Suri is based in Seattle, so he posts very early, usually in the morning. So yep, we have a nice setup here on AMD. We don't know how that's gonna work. And there's head and shoulder. So if you're not familiar with that, so here's the head, here's the shoulder. So upon breaking this level, that's went up. So now we are here close to this resistance to see. So I managed to input technical analysis into this video that was supposed to be strictly about being aware of what your objective is on StockTwits. So I hope that you learned something, and then when you find yourself on StockTwits, you are going to make the most efficient use of it. Thank you for your time. We catch you on our next video. Bye bye.